Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately. Is Spocket like Shopify? I've been using Shopify for a while now, and I've been really happy with it. But I've also been hearing a lot about Spocket, and I've been curious to see how it compares. So, in this video, I'm going to do a head-to-head comparison of Spocket and Shopify. I'll cover everything from pricing and features to ease of use and customer support. What is Spocket? Before we dive into the comparison, let's take a quick look at what Spocket is. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from other companies without having to hold any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an online business without a lot of upfront investment. What is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to build and manage your own online store. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and it offers a wide range of features and integrations. Pricing. Now that we have a basic understanding of what Spocket and Shopify are, let's take a look at pricing. Spocket has two pricing plans, Starter and Pro. The Starter plan costs $29 per month, and the Pro plan costs $49 per month. Shopify has three pricing plans, Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. The Basic plan costs $29 per month, the Shopify plan costs $79 per month, and the Advanced plan costs $299 per month. So, in terms of pricing, Spocket is the more affordable option. However, it's important to note that Shopify offers more features than Spocket, so you may need to pay more for Shopify in order to get the features you need. Features. Now let's take a look at features. Both Spocket and Shopify offer a wide range of features, but there are some key differences between the two platforms. One of the key differences is that Spocket offers a built-in product research tool. This tool allows you to search for products from different suppliers and compare prices. Shopify does not offer a built-in product research tool. Another key difference is that Spocket offers a dropshipping automation tool. This tool allows you to automatically import products from your suppliers and list them on your store. Shopify does not offer a dropshipping automation tool. In terms of overall features, Shopify offers a wider range of features than Spocket. However, Spocket does offer some unique features that Shopify does not. Ease of use. Both Spocket and Shopify are easy to use, but there are some key differences between the two platforms. Spocket is designed to be a simple and user-friendly platform. It has a clean interface and a number of helpful resources to get you started. Shopify is also easy to use, but it has a more complex interface than Spocket. In terms of overall ease of use, Spocket is the easier platform to use. However, Shopify is still easy to use, and it offers more features than Spocket, so it may be a better option for more experienced users. Customer support. Both Spocket and Shopify offer customer support. However, there are some key differences between the two platforms. Spocket offers email and chat support. Shopify offers email, chat, and phone support. In terms of overall customer support, Shopify offers more comprehensive support than Spocket. However, Spocket's support is still good, and it may be a better option for budget-minded businesses. So, which platform is right for you? If you're looking for a simple and affordable dropshipping platform, then Spocket is a good option. If you're looking for a more feature-rich platform with more comprehensive customer support, then Shopify is a good option. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. I hope this video has helped you decide whether Spocket or Shopify is the right platform for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.